So this is the game that we're going to be building. It's a classic Flappy Bird game. We're going to have a main screen here which says get ready, and when the user taps, the game actually starts. So as I said earlier, the graphics, I have provided them, but I will show you in the game exactly how to replace these graphics with your particular graphics so that you have a game that's tailored specifically to you. Okay, so once we click on the screen here, we're going to start moving, and we're going to do, of course, the movement of the bird. So once we right now I'm using a real device to play the game. So once we actually tap on the screen, we're going to start moving and our bird is going to actually start flying. So I'm going to play around here a bit so we can see that our little bird is moving. We have different obstacles that come our way, and we can actually as we go, we can increase our score and so on. So everything you would expect from a regular Flappy Bird game, and we have a final end game screen here. We also have, as it's shown now, we have at the end of the game we have an interstitial ad, a full screen ad. At the moment it's only a test ad, but I will show you in the course how to personalize it with your particular ad ID, so that any income that comes from users tapping on this ad will go straight to your AdMob account.